This video is a follow-on from the previous video, and to very briefly explain what's happened in the previous video, we've used ratios and proportions to work out the other side here, CD. That then enabled us to, the whole line CD was 9, and so we called this 9 minus x, which allowed us to look from a different vantage point. 3 to 6 is 9 minus x to this whole line, x plus 3, that got us x. So now we knew x was 5, and we subbed it in to get 4 here. And then we used our understanding of ratios again to get BC. And so all the numbers that you see here and this ratio of 1k to 3k is all waiting for us. Now we get to the juicy question of areas. Areas, when you're comparing areas, you are typically, unless it's 90-degree triangle, wanting to use the side angle, included angle side, and it will be half base times height times sine of the angle in between. And so I'm doing this top triangle ABC and this bottom little triangle GFD, which can be a bit tricky because they're in two completely separate places. They don't share a base or an angle or anything. But the connection point that I can see is if I had an angle Y there, then this angle would also be Y, and that's corresponding angles. And that becomes a key to unlock the rest of the question, because now when I compare the area of the top one, this being my angle, these two would have to be my sides on either side. This being my angle, the 3 and 4 would have to be my sides. And so it will go something like this. Half base times height times sine of the angle in between, compared to half base times height times sine of the angle in between. The halves will cancel. The 3 here and the 3 there will cancel, the sine y, and you're left with 9 over 4 divided by 4, which you can think of as 4 over 1. And so if you wanted to bring it to the top, you would tip and times, and so it would become 1 over 4, and that leaves you with your ultimate answer of 1 over 16, and that's how you can do the area of triangles as a ratio when they're in different places. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and tell your friends.